Lisa, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. I'm a professional bridal hairstylist and I'm going to be giving you content on hairstyles and also wigs. But I'm here today, as you can tell, with another wig review. This time I'm doing a review for RPGSHOW. So this is a budget-friendly wig company. They make human hair wigs, but they're much more affordable. And I chose this girl here. This is Dominic 039, and I absolutely fell in love with the blonde colour. I loved the layers. So yeah, that was the one I went for. The website is really, really good because you can actually customize the wig. So you don't have to go for exactly what you see. You can change the colour, you can change the length, the density. But I decided to go for exactly what I saw. I really liked the colour, I really liked the length, and I loved the choppy layers. The only thing I changed was I asked for fully bleached knots. I really wanted it to be as invisible as possible. The wig took around 4 weeks to arrive, so it was really quite quick. It arrives in this gorgeous little box. Inside, obviously, is the wig, but I just wanted to show you the other little bits that comes with the box, which I thought was really cute. So you get some information here from RPGSHOW. They provide a little wig cap, which is good. I don't tend to really wear wig caps, but this kind of, I mean, the wig I've chosen is completely glueless, but they have provided one of these bands just to hold down your hair if you did want to glue it. Also a strap to pop on the inside of the cap. Again, I don't really tend to use them. They usually do feel quite secure, but it's there if you need it. The best thing, which I really loved, is this. So it's like a little transporter case. So it's got a little zip and you can pop your wig in there to protect it if you were traveling or if you just wanted to pack it away. But I thought, how handy. Such a good idea. I really liked that. So here she is. Hope you can see her. Oh my God, she's so long I can barely get it in frame. So this is Dominic 039. How gorgeous is she? Beautiful, beautiful wig. Now she's slightly warmer, I will be honest, than what I thought was going to be coming. The picture was quite platinum blonde. I think it was described as platinum blonde. I'd say she's more kind of warm, which I'm not mad at. It's a lovely, lovely colour, and it does look quite funny in these lights. So I think I'll take you outside and show you. I like to take you outside and give you a different perspective. But gorgeous, gorgeous colour. I really like the root. So she's got highlights at the top here just to soften the root. But I don't know if it shows very well on camera. It kind of is. But the blend is really lovely. Sometimes with these kind of balayage effects, especially on the budget-friendly wigs, the blend can be absolutely horrendous. And it just is like a block of colour where it just stops and then it's a blonde and it just looks horrible. Whereas I think that looks really natural, really lovely. I'll show you the hairline. So it's a transparent Swiss lace. Just here, I'll put my hand under it so you can kind of see how transparent that is. Look at that, that's so good. I'll just come a little bit closer so you can see. The parting is kind of not quite so straight, which I like. I like it to be slightly off because I think that's more realistic. I don't ever really wear my own parting kind of bone straight. So really like that. And then I'll just show you the inside of the cap. The lovely lace front here, so you can part it any which way you like. I'm happy with the centre parting, so I'll probably keep it where it is. Now, these parts here are where the little grips were. A really, really good feature with this wig is that these are Velcro, so you can stick them on and then take them off. How good is that? Because usually they're obviously sewn in and it's a little bit fiddly if you want to take them out, which I do. I don't really use them, so I do usually take them out. So I really like that it was on Velcro. I thought that was a really good idea. Lovely stretchy cap, nice and comfortable to wear. And then it also has a little drawstring at the back there, which you can obviously adjust to make slightly tighter or slightly looser. And then it just sort of flips in at the back. And at first I wasn't sure if I was going to like that, but actually I do. I was a bit worried that I'd feel it at the back or it would be kind of bulging at the back, but it's really, really comfortable. I don't even know it's there. So let's try her on. So you can see how long this wig is. So it says on the website that it's 20 inches. And I think it's definitely longer than 20 inches. So this is, I always like go by where my boobs are. So my boobs are here and it's way past boob length. So I'd say it's definitely longer. It's longer than a lot of the other wigs that I've got. But what do you think? I think it's so lovely. I really love these layers at the front here. I think it's really softened the wig. Also, the density is absolutely perfect. I think for this, I think the density is 130, which is just gorgeous for this length of hair. I feel like if the density was higher than that, it would feel like I was drowning in hair, because you've already got the length, then add a lot of hair, I'd feel a bit by it. But actually, this is a really nice amount. I'll show you at the back. Am I in shot? So if I gather it into a pony, you can see that's actually like a really nice amount. It's not overwhelming at all. So I'm going to come up close and show you the parting and the hairline. Now, I think that looks absolutely amazing. Again, this is a budget-friendly wig. And I'll just show you the top here. I'm really impressed, really, really impressed. I think that looks very, very good. There's a few knots I can see, but I mean, nothing major. I think that looks really realistic. But do you see what I mean about it being a little bit warmer? I mean, oh, look at that colour. It's so nice. Yeah, I think I'm going to take you outside and I'll just show you the difference. So actually it does look a little bit lighter out here, doesn't it? So the wig arrived totally straight, as it is in the picture, really. But I did put a curl through it because I personally quite like to have a curl through my wigs. I'll put a video here of a curl that I popped through it. But it didn't last very long. I think usually when the wigs and things like wigs and extensions, I feel like when they're new, they've got like this lovely coating on them. And it's not until you then wash that coating off that you can then kind of curl it and do things to it, and it kind of holds it a little bit better. It feels so soft at the moment. I'm really impressed with the quality of hair. I'm just going to give this a wear and just see how well it lasts. Let me know if you're interested in me updating you with that. I'm just going to show you the length while I'm standing. It's difficult when it's filmed in this kind of landscape mode to get the whole look in, but it's long. It's really long. I'll just show you the back as well. It's really comfortable, really, really comfortable. I like that you've also got the extra security of the drawstring at the back, and obviously the clips and things as well. But yeah. So I think that's it for me. So please give this video a like, subscribe to my channel. I'll be posting more wig reviews soon. I've also got some topper reviews that are coming up, and I'd also like to do some styling videos as well. So yeah, definitely subscribe if you're interested in any of that sort of content. But thank you for watching, and I'll see you later.